म्हणजे इन्फोसिस वगैरे तर नाहीये. तुम्ही चांगलं दिला इन्फोसिस वगैरे स्पीड चालेल ना. हे लोएस्ट स्टँडर्ड बिडिंग. अरे मग तो फालतू करा ते आहे होतं. हार्डवेअर सिस्टम्स पण ते चांगले अशा टाइमला ते लोएस्ट स्टँडर्ड चुकीचं देणार. तेच त्यांना पण ते काय त्रास होतो ना आणि क्लायंट त्यांच्या समोर सारखे बोलत
Yes, चलो start करें.
Yeah, very much.
So today's topic is about find your and your loved one's money personality. Just start recording. Yes. So money is a tool to build the life you want. And what is your money personality, which has affect every aspects of your life, from your relationship with your parents, with your friends, significant others, which school you attend, what job you choose, and how you dress, and where you live. So we are discussing today about your and your loved one's money personality. कैसी है आपकी मनी पर्सनालिटी, आज देखेंगे. The first type of money personality is about a Mazda type money personality. A Mazda type की money personality is that type of money personality where people wants to save every month. This type of money personality wants to invest everyone. This type of money personality like to spend everyone. And a Mazda type money personality's main focus is on building wealth and creating confidence. If this type of money personality is not actually spending, saving or investment, then they feel very empty. उनको empty जैसा feel होता है and they are not living their life fully. So they tend to equate, they compare their money with their self-worth and the power. So if there is a lack of money, then it may lead to the feeling of failure और इवन ए डिप्रेशन. अगर वो लोग स्पेंड नहीं करते, सेव नहीं करते या फिर इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते, तो उनको एक तरीके का फेल्यूर आ जाता है एंड उनको एक तरीके का डिप्रेशन आ जाता है. दिस मनी पर्सनालिटी बेसिकली एंजॉयज मेकिंग देयर ओन फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन. So it may be quite difficult for them to depend on कोई भी फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर के ऊपर उनको डिपेंड रहना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि ये खुद के डिसीजन खुद लेते हैं. So strength about this money personality ये है कि they have a very strong desire to create a massive wealth. And even if अगर उनको ऐसा लगता है कि they tend to be worrier about their monies, then and if they plan to hire investment advisor को उन्होंने अगर hire कर दिया, then their main focus is on they want a high rate of रिटर्न. मतलब वो उनका दिमाग फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर का इतना खाते हैं कि मुझे किसी भी तरह से मुझे तुम मनी हाई रेट ऑफ रिटर्न करके दो. नाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ मनी पर्सनालिटी बेसिकली एंजॉयज मेकिंग देयर ओन फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन. तो ये कभी लोग गिव अप नहीं करते किसी भी चीज के लिए. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ मनी पर्सनालिटी ऐसे आपने कहीं देखी है इन योर लाइफ? ऐसी कोई है आपकी मनी पर्सनालिटी?
Not to be very specific, but yes,
Okay.
I've noticed a couple of.
Yes, let's see. we एक एक और देखते हैं किस किस की कौन सी पर्सनालिटी है. The next type of personality is known as a avoider type की personality. Now, avoider type की personality people, they don't want to pay attention to their money, and money is a source of a frustration for them. So they basically avoid looking at money. This type of personality is avoider type personality. They have a hard time in balancing their money, like their checkbook वो balancing नहीं कर पाती. They have very hard time balancing like paying their bills probably, and even they avoid paying their taxes till last minute तक. लास्ट मिनट, लास्ट जब तक डेट नहीं आती टैक्स फाइल करने की, रिटर्न करने की, तब तक वो लोग अवॉइड ही करते. इवन this type of personality, avoiders always avoid making a budget and keeping any kind of financial records. Even they tend to be money avoider. So उनका ऐसा होता है कि they don't know how much money they have, how much money they owe, how much money they invest. दे एक्चुअली बेसिकली उनको बहुत ट्रबल होता है मनी सेव करना, मनी स्पेंड करना, मनी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना, एंड काइंड ऑफ उनको बहुत जैसा फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऐसा फील होता है इन टाइप की पर्सनालिटी के लिए. नाउ समटाइम्स व्हाई दे आर फीलिंग, बिकॉज दे फील दैट दे आर वेरी इनकॉम्पिटेंट एंड दे आर वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड फेस्ड विद द मनी के ऐसे कुछ टास्क आते हैं उनको. ऐसा किसी उनकी वाइफ ने उनको बोला रहता है कि कहीं पे जाके इन्वेस्ट करो, जरा देखो अपना बजट कैसा है, क्या है, किस तरह का तुमको स्पेंड करना चाहिए. तो उनको बहुत एक ऐसा डिप्रेशन आता है, तो बेसिकली वो अवॉइड ही करते हैं. सो ये और एक टाइप की मनी पर्सनालिटी है. The third type of money personality is about hoarder type की money personality. Now hoarder type की money personality, if you have, now उनका ना basically main focus is more on a worry and a scarcity rather than the abundance and production के ऊपर रहता है. they like to prioritize their financial goal. उनको अच्छा लगता है कि अपने financial goal अच्छे से बना. Now exactly opposite of avoider personality. Avoider type की personality के लोग हमेशा avoid करते हैं, money के तरफ ध्यान नहीं देते खुद से. अगर even avoider type की money personality के लोग हमेशा financial advisor को mostly hire करते हैं क्योंकि उनको खुद को बहुत frustration लगता है. But on the other hand, होल्डर टाइप की मनी पर्सनालिटी, दे एंजॉय दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग देयर बजट्स एंड रिव्यू देम पीरियोडिकली. उनको बजट बनाना होल्डर टाइप की पर्सनालिटी की बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. दे हैव अ हार्ड टाइम. नाउ अनदर एस्पेक्ट इनका ऐसा भी है, दे हैव अ हार्ड टाइम स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन देमसेल्फ एंड देयर लव्ड वन. सो माइजर टाइप की एक पर्सनालिटी है, तो they may usually avoid spending their money on luxury items and even the practical gifts for their loved ones. And if ऐसा नहीं होता है कि उनके पास पैसा नहीं होता, it is not that कि उनके पास पैसा भी होना, still they will tell us कि दे हैव स्पेंडिंग के उनके पास बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, वेकेशंस के लिए. दे यूजुअली टेल अस कि डोंट गो फॉर अ वेकेशन, इंस्टेड ऑफ दे यू लुक फॉर एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन, और यू डोंट स्पेंड मच ऑन द लग्जरी आइटम एंड कुड नॉट अफोर्ड टू गो ऑन अ वेकेशन इवन दो दे हैव अ मनी. सो चीप डिस्काउंट स्टोर्स में जाएंगे, आइटम्स अपने लव्ड वंस के लिए खरीद मतलब परचेस करेंगे. तो एंड इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ पर्सनालिटीज बेसिकली एक्सट्रीम अगर होल्डर्स रहेंगे ना, then they may avoid they may keep their money so close to themselves na, even they avoid investment into the share market, even the investment into the mutual funds they avoid करेंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट करना. तो होल्डर टाइप की बेसिकली ये ऐसी पर्सनालिटी है. So even I'm asking, have you seen such kind of personality within your family or somewhere else, whether holder or whether a mazer or okay, Nagitra ji, Munira ji, Manoli ji.
Yeah.
You have just joined, right? Today we are discussing your and your loved one's money personality. Yes, Nagitra ji, you are there. Okay. So the next type of personality is known as a spender type personality. So if you are a spender, then you enjoy using your money to buy yourself on the goods and services for your immediate pleasure. Probably you're getting a satisfaction on spending money on a gift for the other. So spender type की personalities basically get into the debt, they get into the liability very easily, and their main focus is on enjoying their life at any cost. कुछ भी हो जाए, they just want to enjoy their life. And basically this type of personality spender ki they have a 5 to 10 credit card, 8 to 10 loans, and very little savings they have. Okay. Now this type of personality is basically go into the debt. Now big spenders, अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा big spending करते हैं, then they love, like you know, they love nice cars, they like new gadgets, branded clothes, and they never bargain. वो shopping के लिए जाएंगे, so then don't bargain. Even this type of personality, like 4K का television, they want a beautiful home, they want the greatest mobile phone, latest कोई phone आया है market में, they go and they just buy. Even they have a very hard time and saving, and उनके goals नहीं रहते. They don't have their saving and they don't have their prioritize their money के goal नहीं रहते. They even have very difficult to put aside enough money for their फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड कोई उनके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स के लिए वो साइड में कभी मनी कैसे नहीं रखेंगे. सो बेसिकली इनका मेन मोटो इज ओनली ऑन द स्पेंडिंग के ही तरफ रहता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ पर्सनालिटी की स्ट्रैटेजी ये रहती है कि उनको दे हैव टू कम अप विद द स्ट्रैटेजी एंड दे हैव टू आस्क देमसेल्फ दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, वेयर डज माय मनी गोस, मेरी मनी एक्चुअली जाती कहाँ है के, am I spending enough into my, am I giving basically enough spending into my saving account, funding into my saving account, or do I need to speak to my financial planner, or why does spending gives me a lot of satisfaction. This type of personality basically ask these questions to themselves. So yes, I think I'm sure spenders, so आपने you have seen lot of this personality, ये type के तो आपने देखे ही होंगे mostly. Spender type
major you'll find in this category. Major.
Right. Major, yeah. But you have not came across with like a Mazar or the people who like to spend also, they like to save also, they like to invest also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mazars are again plenty.
Yeah. Right, sir. Okay. So there is another category in spender type personality. They are known as a social value spender. The another personality is known as a social value spender. So if the shopping makes me happy, this type of personality basically likes a shopping, and they frequently buy like gifts unke loved ones ke liye, they love to buy the gifts. So basically what they feel like, if I buy any items for my loved ones, then I may be accepted in the group, or they may feel that if I make a purchase, then it will boost my self-esteem and enhance my sense of value by having, if I buy something nice for them, अगर मैंने उनके लिए कुछ खरीदा तो मुझे I will accepted in the group, मैं उस ग्रुप में हमेशा एक्सेप्ट हो जाऊंगी अगर मैं उनके लिए कुछ खरीद रही हूँ तो परचेस कर रही हूँ. There is another type of personality which is known as a cash splasher. It is very close cousin of social value spender personality ka, very close cousin. Now cash splasher basically want attention, or you can say they want a center of attraction. So whenever there is a party at their home ना, they वो क्या करते हैं, या फिर whenever they if they are going with their friends restaurants में जाते हैं ना, तो यही हमेशा बिल पे करेंगे. They are very generous कि they want to spend money, वो ही हमेशा होटल का रेस्टोरेंट्स का बिल हमेशा ये पे करेंगे. एंड इवन इफ दे आर गोइंग फॉर एनी फंक्शंस के लिए जाएंगे तो उनके हाथ में चैरिटी के लिए वगैरह जाएंगे ना, कुछ डोनेशंस वगैरह देंगे, तो उनके हाथ में हमेशा चेक बुक रेडी रहेगा. तो अगर उनको किसी ने पूछा कि चेक वगैरह दे दो, दे तुरंत दे विल साइन द चेक एंड दे गिव इट टू देम. So yes, basically they have a expensive car, again this type of personality, or they have very club का membership भी इन लोगों के पास हमेशा रहता है. So there is a one category of the cash splashers type की personality. So again ये भी आपने देखी होगी कहीं भी, cash splashers type की personality, and then social value spender type की personality. Have you came across Yugraj ji or Manoj ji within in your friend circle or in your family?
Yeah, we have seen. I have seen people like that.
Okay. The next personality, which is my always favorite, all-time favorite personality, is known as a saver type की personality. Now, saver type की personality, they have to prioritize their financial goal. They like to make a budget and they enjoy the process of making budget. They exactly opposite of the spender. So, for example, they turn off their lights while leaving the room. They close refrigerator ka door quickly. They close to keep into the clothes, and they shop only when it is a necessary. तब भी shopping करेंगे जब नेसेसरी हो. अनयूजुअल इन लोगों के पास क्रेडिट कार्ड्स वगैरह नहीं रहेंगे, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स होती भी है तो वो डेप्थ में नहीं ये करते. There is another personality which is known as a money monk personality. The money monk type की personality, they think that money is a kind of dirty thing. Money उनके लिए dirty रहती है, and if they think that I have a money, then I may have a corrupt mind. Money is a root of evil. So अगर उनको इनके inheritance से, उनके पूर्वजों से, if they are getting a windfall of money, उनके पास बहुत अगर money आती है ना, then they feel very uneasy, then they feel very anxious. And उनको ऐसा लगता है कि they give me so much money, then I may come into the trap that I may become greedier towards money. So they basically avoid करते हैं ऐसी type की चीजें, and they sell out their properties. And मतलब उनको ऐसा greed नहीं चाहिए. तो basically this type of personality avoid into investment. Why? Because they fear have in their mind that कि अगर मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया then I may get a good amount of return. So money monk type की एक personality और एक ऐसी type की होती है. So I want to ask all of you कि which is your personality? What is your personality?
Personality which I see myself comes into the personality of Amazer, but there is no what I should say, I require somebody like, a financial consultant to find a rasta bata do mujhe, find a way, whatever it may be, but I want this much, this much, this much. No, I don't. Right? As far as there are few things are concerned, like, I have never bargained in my life.
You never?
Bargained with anybody in my life.
Okay.
So that doesn't mean that, that comes into a different category. I have a different looking towards the life. If I have to bargain, say for example, we take for this program.
One second, sir. Why you never bargain?
I'm coming to it.
Okay.
Say, for example, this program, Neuro Money Warrior, right?
Right.
This is priced at how much we paid? 1,700, right?
Yes.
1,700. So instead of 1,700, I say, Shaurabh and Yashashri, I will give you 700. What happens?
Okay.
What happens? Suppose there is some challenge with the presenter, and if he gives the discount,
okay,
right? Is he giving willingly? No. So if it is not giving willingly, am I getting the work and the satisfaction by taking the bar discounts? Whenever I go to any shop, I shop, or even, who is from Mumbai? There is a fashion street here in Mumbai. The fashion street, you go and buy a dress for a daughter or a wife. The cost of a dress, they will say 4,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Right? And they will come down to 400, 500 rupees at the end.
Yes.
Even in that, there are around 70, 80 shops. Out of that 500 shops, they are fixed price shops. In that same market, there are fixed price shops. And I know where to go and where to buy the best things. but never bargain. I just say, give me the best price so that, I come back to your shop. But if he gives me MRP, no problem. If he gives 2% discount, accepted. I'll never question him because he has got rent to be paid. He has electricity bill to be paid. He has maybe around 20 salesmen or sales girls around. If I take the discount out of my purchases of 12,000 rupees, say if he gives me 2,000, probably the profit was only 3,000 out of 12,000. And 2,000 I have taken as a discount. But he has made 1,000 rupees, but at the same time, his heart is weeping inside. And I don't want that. I should make somebody cry because of my bad habit of asking for discounts. I never ever. Because there are two things associated. I will get disturbed, by disturbing somebody. So I don't want to disturb my peace also. Number one. Number two, relationship never goes long. Every time I give you madam, you give me 1,000 rupee discount for your next program, I'll come. Arey yaar, isko message hi nahi bhejne ka. Isn't it? See, this is the way things comes up. So if you say that the bargainers are into this different category, there are exceptions. So I am into that. And fortunately, my family also, they don't go for the bargaining. Because in my programs, like I told, per letter, 4 rupees I charge for my content writing.
Yes.
I don't give a penny discount out of it. And people are paying for your quality work. Why should you give and why should you ask for discount?
Thank you so much, Yuvraj. You are just like me. I'm so fortunate. I'm so happy hearing all these things now. I thought I am the one of them who's not bargaining all the time, and my mom used to told me, yeah, you never bargain for anything. I think I always say that my emotions are attached with that particular thing. Why should I bargain, yaar? I mean, the vegetable जो seller होता है, he is getting इतना सा रुपया. Why should I go to that? But many people I came across with this. They are paying for that mobile, the 15-20,000 whatever, and without discounting anything, and they always go to that vegetable जो seller होता है उसके पास, and they bargain that thing. I mean, saying that person is earning itna sa. Why you are bargaining? Same. I'm so happy.
See, whenever there is another something, people will say you go for a what do you say that sale, sales.
Yes.
But I'm very choosy about it.
Huh.
If I have to buy some branded things, I would not like to go and overspend it. But yes, I will wait for that opportunity when that Armani jeans is coming up with the offer.
Right, sir.
Right. When the Armani jeans comes with an offer, that is once in a year for maybe around 20 days.
Right.
And that time, that 12,000 rupees is given to you at 3,800 or 4,500.
Yes.
So I am not going in a regular time and buying 12,000 rupees. Or when you go for buying a red tape or a woodland shoe.
Right, sir.
I go for that time.
Yes.
They come at least twice or thrice in a year into the offer.
Yes.
That's not bargain. That's called a proper
Negotiate.
Proper patience to wait for that time. That's not overspenders.
Okay.
I hope you got my answer, Manurina. Not to bargain.
Okay.
But I'm a kind of person who will negotiate wherever I go. Not with the people who are poor or roadside sellers. I will not bargain with them because it is their life. But otherwise, even if I go to mobile shop, I will bargain. I will negotiate with that person. I need a low price. Everything I'll ask. And if they cannot afford that, I'll ask for something for free even. I have that habit. Maybe
that is always when you go for a pani puri, when you go and eat that pani puri.
No pani puri you want.
You ask that one extra pani puri all the time.
Yes.
It's like maybe there may be a difference between the north and south people.
There is no difference.
No. They usually say high price initially. And if we bargain or negotiate, no, they'll come to the exact price that time only.
You
So
you are in Chennai. Where are you?
Madurai.
You are in Madurai. There is in Chennai. There is a place called Burma Market.
Not Burma, and yes, sir, it is there. Many bazaars are there.
So there is a Burma Market. That is again, you go and talk. They will give you 5,000 rupees worth 500 rupees. You know, at the
Yeah,
end they will give you 500 rupees. But
if
again,
we,
there are in the same market you will find the fixed price shops also. It's our choice where to go and where to walk in.
yeah. But most of the people in Tamil Nadu will say the high price. So be careful.
It's a myth actually. Now you go to the Nelly shop. What is that? Silk sari in
Nellai.
Nelly shop,
Yeah,
right?
silk saree.
Do they do the bargain there? They don't do bargaining.
They never compromise on their cost.
Category of people. It changes with the category of people.
So that's where I want to bring it to your attention. Where are you going? And if at all, then it's your choice. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to write the 10 positive and 10 negative traits of your personality. At least write down 10 अच्छी चीजें positive and 10 negative. If you think that saver अगर negative है, then what can be that negative? क्या हो सकता है?
10 positive and 10 negative.
Negative traits of your money personality.
Trend.
10, yeah.
வரல இல்ல
அதை திறந்து பாருங்களேன். அது திறந்து போட்டா எலி இருக்குன்னு தெரியும். அம்மா போலியோ சாப்பிடலாமா? அம்மா எனக்கு பசிக்குது. அம்மா ஈவினிங்க்கும் காஃபி.
சரி எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஹாய். He is my son.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi.
Say hi. Namaste.
Hi, what's your name?
Litik. L-E-T-H-I.
Positive and negative.
Completed.
Done.
But negative trends, I got only 5 points.
Okay. What is your personality first? Your, and what are the negative traits?
Actually, I missed the initial one you said. I can mix the next two, the saver type of personality.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what negative traits you wrote?
Stress shopping.
Okay.
Stress shopping. If I get stressed, I'll go for shopping.
Yes. Yes.
And next is sometimes even I will separate as need and want, as you said. Sometimes I'll go for want because of society or because of my own wish. I'll go there. Third thing is kids purchase. I'll even if there is no need, I'll go for purchase because of him, to satisfy him. And fourth point is, it comes both under positive trend as well as negative trend. What it is positive trend. I'll purchase more books. My 2% or up to 5% I'll spend my earnings with the books. The negative thing is, I'll purchase. I don't get time to read that book, so it'll be there. I'll think of I should read. Likewise, it goes.
You don't get time to read a book. You purchase, but you don't get time to read a book.
Yeah.
Okay. For that, I can give you a tip. You want?
But usually, no. I have lot of books. My husband will scold. House is full of books.
Okay.
But I have the habit of purchasing, but I don't get time. Then last will be online purchases.
Acha. Wow, good. So, Manuriji, do you want to change your money personality?
Yes. Of course I have.
Okay. Then which personality you will opt if you want to change? If you give you options, and what you will think, though, if you opt for a saver personality, then what will be the negative and positive traits of that personality? What you think?
Negative personality will be like what to say? I'll procrastinate. Whenever I go for a purchase, I usually procrastinate. I'll put some more days. So sometimes it goes positive, but sometimes it goes negative. For example, if classes like yours, no, if I have the habit of procrastination, I would have missed this class. Let us play later. Let us play later. Likewise. So in that case, as well as I'll miss many offer. Likewise. So I have that. I'll say my positive trends also. I have the habit of savings. I have the habit of giving it to charity. Not always. Usually, I'll give only books and clothes, not money. So after Yugrajji's advice, I planned for 10%. Then, other than that, I have that savings habit, small investment cap. Likewise, I have the habit of saving. I'll spend much of my money to God. Likewise, we'll say no undial. Undial, I have a lot of money. Whenever I take any order or something like that, my first give will be to God.
Okay.
Next, gold purchase. I like gold purchases because its value increases, no. And I'm not having scope with the property and everything. Even if I get whether it will be good or bad, so I'll go for gold purchase. Last will be I give more of my books as well as steady items to the charity people. Not money, but steady items like pen, pencil, notebooks. Wherever I see people or small children in the roadside, I'll get and give. Even if it is too much costly, sketch, color pencils. Likewise, studies oriented, I have the habit of giving.
Have you tried keeping that item, whatever you purchase, in a cart for 24 hours or something? Have you tried that technique which I told you? When next time, whenever you are purchase or you do any online shopping, na, keep that item at least for a 24 hours or for a 2 days in that cart. This way, I actually avoid shopping. This is the technique which I and Saurabh usually do. So that way you can save actually.
My Amazon cart have nearly 50 items.
Okay.
Waiting for more days.
Okay. Right. Good. Thank you, Manajesh, for sharing this.
I will delete from the cart. Like this, it happens.
Okay. All right. Yes, Yuvrajji. 10 positive, negative traits.
So positives are.
Yes, start.
Hello.
Yeah, Yuvrajji.
Yes, sir.
So there are a lot of positive. It has come over a period of time, like 25, 27 years of practice now.
Okay.
I don't have to do monthly calculation. It is like spontaneous.
Okay.
And any kind of any investments which I'm doing it, I have fixed it somewhere in September and October of the year. Knowing my 5 months how it has gone, I plan the next the third and the fourth quarter.
Okay.
So investments are only done in September and October. So the negative part is that, yes, that I have fixed it for now around 18, 20 years.
Right,
Probably. It's just a good also. And sometimes there are some opportunities which are there, but I have blocked myself. Like, no, I will do it in September and October only. Right. Even if I have to take a new extra premium, I have to take an insurance policy, my major policies are added up in September and October only.
Right.
So if my annual premium of a life insurance goes of the 2.75 lakhs, if you see, they are moving in that pattern only. September, October, September, October, September, October.
Right.
I should be little flexible. Negative part is वो वाला आता है. Next.
Right. Yes.
Then what do you want to keep increasing your insurance? Questions are always asked by family. Why you want to pay?
Yes.
ठीक है. It is maybe a thought which is probably good for the family. I have been using the Mediclaim. I've been buying the Mediclaim policies for the last 30 years.
Right.
I've not taken any claim, zero claim.
Right.
That is thanks to Almighty Divine.
That's what I wanted to say, that thankful.
Suppose, when I take a car insurance, vehicle insurance, my intention is not that, I'll have to, I have given him 27,000 rupees. Now I have to bang against a pole and take 80,000 rupees as a claim.
Absolutely.
That is not at all. But tomorrow, it was a divine save that, nothing has happened as per any major accident or major illness. So, these are something like, you call it as your negative strain that you buy, even if it is not required. Why you want to? For what? Why are you increasing every now and then, every year, insurances?
Right.
And you are paying to LIC, why so much?
Right.
No. You have been into doing it for a eventuality. Right? And yes, I have also stopped in front of some shop, wanted to buy, then I said no. वो एक जो हैबिट थी ना, अभी मैंने ब्रेक कर दी है, अब मैं खरीदता हूँ.
Okay.
वो आपने कार्ट में रखने वाली बात बोलते हो ना? No, I don't want to keep in the cart. You know why?
Okay. Yes.
That is a different ball game into that.
Okay.
If you have, you buy it.
You buy.
Right?
Right, sir.
Tomorrow, have you seen? Have you seen tomorrow?
No. So, if you want to buy again, you can buy at the same time, right, sir? I completely agree with that.
If you have it, no credit card.
Yes.
If you have it, do not keep in the card.
Right.
Keep it not in the card, keep it in your car.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
And this question of bargaining has come up a couple of times in my house. No, why you don't? I said I
Yes.
don't want. I want to maintain my
Yes.
tempo, my mood every time happy, and I want that person should be also happy. Oh, this
Yes,
was the
sir.
person who
Absolutely
gave
right.
me worth of whatever I had put.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
when you walk through,
हाँ.
the next time, do you have to ask him a discount?
Right, sir.
He himself give you 2% discount without even asking you.
Right.
At the
But
end of the bill, there is some maybe around 85 rupees or 100 rupees is less. What is this? नहीं sir, ये हमने कम कर दिया है. I still ask him. Even after that, I still ask him, are you comfortable? Because अगर मेरे पास नहीं होता तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पूछता. अभी है, God has given. I have started my life from making envelopes. लिफाफे बनाते थे ना.
हाँ.
Making envelopes from the newspaper. Buying newspaper at 70 paisa per kg, selling the envelopes at 2 rupees and 40 paisa. That was the way I have come up. So I'm thankful today I can afford things.
Seriously, sir. Wow, nice sharing, Yudaji. Thank you so much. Superb. Seriously. Wow. Yes, Munira ji, आप हो?
Thank you.
Yes, I am.
Yes, बताइए. आपकी कौन सी पर्सनालिटी है?
I am
और उसकी
saver.
पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव
नहीं,
है.
मैं सेव करती हूँ money, but when I want to spend or when it is necessary, I spend it. फिर मैं नहीं देखती कि what is that. जहाँ जरूरत है तो I spend. But really I save also money. मैं ऐसी की ऐसी नहीं कहीं भी खर्च कर देती. Then I don't bargain. क्यों नहीं bargain करती? क्योंकि I feel bad. मेरे को ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि I go and say कि भाई थोड़ा कम करो कि थोड़ा ऐसा करो. तो I never bargain. मेरा हस्बैंड बहुत सी मरतबा कहते कि तू कहीं बोलती नहीं, जाती नहीं, कम नहीं करवाती. But I don't feel to bargain. फिर मैं I spend money in God also. यानी बहुत I'm in favor of spending money in that religiously या कहीं religion में, कहीं help करने में people को. और मैं ज्यादातर मैं बिलीव करती हूँ हेल्प करने में पीपल को कि जो नीडी पर्सन है. जब भी कुछ ऐसा आता है कि आई एम रेडी टू स्पेंड. और हाँ, मैं प्रॉपर्टी में बाय करना मैं ज्यादा पसंद करती हूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ गोल्ड. आई बाय गोल्ड बट मोर दिस प्रॉपर्टी. और यस, माय वीकनेस इज टू बाय क्लोथ्स. समटाइम्स आई डोंट वेयर इट बट आई बाय इट. जैसे उन्होंने बोले कि मैं बुक्स बाय करती हूँ, आई बाय क्लोथ्स. और हम इंश्योरेंस में तो वी डोंट बिलीव एट ऑल. तो इंश्योरेंस तो हम करवाते नहीं है. मगर यहाँ दुबई में इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर द कार. उसके बगैर हमारे यहाँ देयर इज अ रूल, सो हम उसका इंश्योरेंस कराते हैं. एंड कार में ऑल्सो वी डोंट बिलीव. सो कार से हम कोई चीज बाय करते ही नहीं. Whatever is cash. बस.
So मुदीरा जी, आपको आपकी पर्सनालिटी चेंज करनी है या आप हैप्पी हो?
नहीं, आई एम हैप्पी.
वेरी गुड. चलो, वेरी गुड. नाइस शेयरिंग मुदीरा जी. थैंक यू सो मच. नागेंद्र जी, आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते तो एटलीस्ट ग्रुप में भी शेयर कीजिए लेटर, और यहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में भी आप यू कैन शेयर, और एटलीस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज योर मनी पर्सनालिटी इन चैट बॉक्स. Okay, so the next topic is about how to avoid psychological.
Before you go to, you were asking questions. Do you want to change your personality? Right.
हाँ.
So,
Yeah.
what do you suggest someone
हाँ.
if he is coming into the social value spender?
Okay.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
He is into the social value spender.
Right, sir.
And a person is do not want to say that yes, he has done over the excitement in the public, which is paining to the family. How do you tell that softly?
Okay. सोशल वैल्यू स्पेंडर को तो सर आई वुड सजेस्ट स्पेंडिंग तो मत ही करो. तो बेसिकली
नहीं सोशल वैल्यू स्पेंडर यानी वो जाता है अनाथ आश्रम में, he goes and give to those kind of places.
हाँ.
Right.
Right,
so
sir. Right.
He is earning around 3 lakh rupees a month.
हाँ.
But at random, you know, he will donate 12 lakh rupees, 15 lakh rupees, and then he is in challenging situation.
Right.
He has enough. But at some odd time, he is in a very messy situation as well.
Right, sir.
So what do you, how do you, as a course guide, I'm asking you, what is your point of advice?
I will basically ask him कि मैं पहले तो उसको 1-to-1 पूछूंगी, why you want to spend, what is that basically, तुम्हारा trigger क्या है, why you are spending so much, क्यों तुम वो चेक वगैरह चेकबुक लेके जाते हो, ऐसा क्या तुमको होता है, what is that happiness comes to your mind. Let me just have to have one-to-one word with that person. ऐसे एक मीटिंग में सर पता नहीं चलेगा कि एग्जैक्टली क्या उसकी थिंकिंग है. बिकॉज कैसा होता है सर, अनाथ आश्रम में वो जाता है एंड ही इज स्पेंडिंग, देयर इज सम मोटो, कुछ ना कुछ उसको दिमाग में होगा, दैट इज द रीजन ही इज गिविंग चेकबुक वगैरह वो लेके जाता होगा, वो डोनेशंस देता होगा, वो कुछ ना कुछ करता होगा. तो आई विल आस्क हिम अगेन एंड अगेन. मैं उसके साथ 1-to-1 ज्यादा डिस्कस करके पूछना चाहूंगी कि ऐसी उसकी क्या थिंकिंग है, और इज देयर एनी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस he has come across, that is the reason he is giving, ऐसा कुछ है क्या. तो रीजंस मैं उसको पूछूंगी कि क्या है करके.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair.
Yes.
It's valued, we can spend.
हाँ, मतलब सर कैसा होता है, माई थिंकिंग इज दैट इफ आई एम हैविंग कुछ कॉन्वर्सेशन किसी इंसान के साथ हो तो एक कॉन्वर्सेशन मेरे लिए इनफ नहीं होता.
I had a long discussion with this gentleman.
Yeah.
I had a long conversation with this gentleman, and every time, you know, he comes out with a very soothing answer. Yeah, agar if I get into a challenging situation for maybe around 10-12 days, I should know where is the pain, how others are getting pain. I am also want to experience that pain.
Right.
So I said, you have experienced pain, then why are you repeating it after 6 months?
Right.
Then he says, I should not forget that pain, that, you know, pain is there. So he has a fancy answers, but he will continue to do that. You tell him, he will go to place in some dargah, he will go to some gurdwara. It's not like, you know, in one community, everywhere. He will go and do those, the bhandaras, you know, put across, langar laga dega. He'll not bother about it. And then he will say, yes, I have some challenge. He will take loan also from somebody. And after around 3 months, he will clear up all that. Then 7th, 8th month, again, he will have some kind of issue. But 12 lakh, 15 lakh, 18 lakh, like that, you know, he will, upar leke jana hai. His answers are very clear. His answers are very clear. Upar leke jana hai kya? Nahi jana.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है सर कि उनके ना साथ ऐसी कुछ तो चीज ऐसी हुई होगी दिमाग में एंड दिल में, ऐसा कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ होगा जिस वजह से दे आर डूइंग कंटिन्यूसली वो हैबिट वो करते हैं. ऐसा कुछ तो होता है ना कि एकदम सडनली एकदम हाई इंटेंसिटी हो जाती है एंड वो दिमाग में इतना बैठता है कि मुझे किसी ने भी बताया मुझे, फिर भी मैं अपनी चीजों को चेंज नहीं करूंगा, मैं आई विल स्टिक टू दैट एंड व्हाटएवर हैपन. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है सर ऐसा कुछ तो रीजन रहेगा उसके पीछे जिस वजह से ये सब कर रहा है एंड हम उनको कितना भी समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो नहीं मानेंगे. So
as a counselor, would you like to keep counseling or will you like to drop it?
नहीं, आई वुड लाइक टू कीप काउंसलिंग क्योंकि सर मैं लाइफ कोचिंग के सेशंस लेती हूँ तो ऐसी चीजें आती है मुझे बार बार एंड आई वांटेड टू नो द एग्जैक्टली रीजन. जब तक वो सामने वाला इंसान मुझे एग्जैक्टली रीजन नहीं बताता, आई विल कीप ऑन उसका दिमाग में खाती हूँ.
Will you do a counseling on a free basis or will you do on a chargeable basis?
चार्जेबल बेसिस पे सर.
If you are not giving any benefit
हाँ
and he is not getting shifted,
हाँ.
doesn't it going to pinch you that you are taking money and I'm not giving any value?
It will pinch me lot, sir. If agar my client is not telling me na, then it will hurt me too. Ki
You know,
why? What is the reason behind?
I have taken 1,50,000 rupees for 1 hour from him.
Oh, it pinches us a lot,
No,
sir.
no,
Seriously.
I have told him I take 30,000 rupees for 1 hour coaching for
हाँ.
my pharmaceutical, but I can bring some shift, but my charges are 1,50,000. ICICI Bank checks happening.
Yeah.
He's happy. He says,
Exactly.
I don't care about it because मुझे change कर ही नहीं सकते हो कोई. Because
हाँ.
I am into this. I have not taken money from him, but I'm asking you, as a coach, as a counselor, after X amount of efforts, either you as a coach or a counselor should do charity and try to bring change maybe after 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, but
Right.
not that, I have a client which will be there till he is dying.
Lifetime client.
Life coaching, if we say, I call myself as a confidence coach. I don't call as a life coach. I only
Okay.
boost the confidence, nothing more than that.
Right.
I do
Right.
nothing except just giving some push in
हाँ.
somebody. काम
Right.
उसने करना है उसके ऑफिस में, उसके फैक्ट्री में, उसकी दुकान में, उसके wherever he or she is.
Right.
I do nothing. And life coaching, I don't use the word because life coaching is a word which should be given it to गुरुद्वारे के ग्रंथी को, मंदिर के पुजारी को, मस्जिद के मौलवी को, who is in a holistic way, he knows the life and then he comes out with all the solutions any moment. I may be wrong, but I say all the enlightened, highly enlightened souls should be the people who should call themselves as life coach.
Right, sir.
Because it's a very big, vast area.
Vast,
life.
it is vast. Yeah.
Beyond.
हाँ.
It is just beyond. This live example, who was ready to pay 1,50,000, he gave me. Chalo ji leke jao. I have sat with him for more than 7 to 8
Testing
times.
your patience, sir, actually. Actually testing your patience. But sir, frankly speaking, I love this. Like, मुझे ये फील्ड बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Love to talk to people, love to share their views, like to share their views. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनसे बात करके. जब भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं और मुझे कहते हैं कि नहीं मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो मेरे लिए then it becomes again a challenging thing for me. So yes, it's a beautiful, sir. Seriously, like training, coaching industry इतनी खूबसूरत है ना, and और challenges आते हैं तो और भी मजा आता है. वो तो बंदे का transformation हो जाता है, but हम जो सीखते हैं ना sir, तो it is really good thing. Seriously.
So we'll catch up. I think I'm bringing some different subjects right now.
Yugraj ji have a good problem solving skills.
So I will send you my account details.
Send me there. No problem.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir. All right. So basically, next topic is about how you should avoid some psychological trap that investors should avoid. The next topic is called कि जब भी लोग investments करते हैं तब एक trap में फंस जाते हैं and you should avoid those trap while investment. The first trap is about anchoring trap. तो anchoring trap में क्या होता है? The anchoring trap means that you place too much importance on one's initial thought on a particular investment, especially relating to the market psychology. So basically, what happened कि X amount का कुछ company का share है, and you think that the company seems to be successful and having a large track record in the past, and so this company will inspire a lot of investor confidence. But later you find that because of your preconception, this company is completely incorrect, and you are avoiding into the trap. आप उस trap में पूरी तरह से फंस चुके हो, and एक basic information you are having. So आपका अगर दोस्त है and he is investing into some particular company and he is getting a good amount of return, so you will also fall into the trap and you will think that if the मेरे friend को that return is getting, then I am also getting that return. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल मनी कंट्रोल या फिर इन्वेस्टर इनसाइट्स और वेल्थ इनसाइट्स के मैगजीन या फिर दला स्ट्रीट मैगजीन, I call them magazines are called an anchoring trap. Basically, why? Because they are giving us investment के good advice, but वो सोचते नहीं है, वो कभी कभी देते हो. It's good to read those magazines, मनी कंट्रोल और वेल्थ इनसाइट के मैगजीन रीडिंग करना अच्छा है, but at the same time हमें खुद का रिसर्च भी करना बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज इनिशियल स्टेज में वो दिखाते ऐसा है कि यू आर गेटिंग एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ रिटर्न एंड दे आर शोइंग अ पिक्चर इन अ सच अ वे, ब्यूटिफुली वो पिक्चर डिजाइन करके देते हैं, स्पेशली अबाउट द लला स्ट्रीट मैगजीन. बिकॉज आई हैव केम अक्रॉस विद दैट इंसिडेंट. आई वॉज इन्वेस्टिंग इन टू, मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट करना स्टार्ट किया था एंड आई वॉज पर्टिकुलरली रिलाइंग ऑन दैट दला स्ट्रीट मैगजीन एंड वेल्थ इनसाइट, म्यूचुअल फंड इनसाइट मैगजीन. I was completely depend on those back then rather than doing my financial मेरा research करने से पहले, because वो figure उन्होंने इतना beautifully दिखाया था ना, that share goes like that way and then you if you invest in those particular thing you will get a good amount of. I was completely fall into that trap and मेरा share completely डूब गया, नीचे आ गया था. So that incident again, then it was same happen with money control के websites पे. money control का जो app आता है now, तो I don't have money control app on my mobile because there are n number of the investors like जितने सारे हैं एडवाइजर, दे आर गिविंग यू द टारगेट वाला, स्टॉप लॉस वाला वैल्यू, इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू, दे आर शोइंग यू अ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर. एंड अगेन आई वाज कंप्लीटली ट्रैप में वो फंस गई थी. तो ऐसे वाले ट्रैप्स में बेसिकली अवॉइड करना चाहिए, जो फर्स्ट टाइम जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आती है एंड जो हमें ब्यूटीफुली पिक्चर्स करके दिखाती है. So we have to like open minded हमें रहना चाहिए when it comes to the source of information, and ultimately you have to ask your investment advisor while come to this thing. And if your investment, अगर आप investment share market में या फिर कहीं पे भी कर रहे हो, then have a watch list. आपको वॉच लिस्ट में स्टॉक रखने चाहिए एंड स्टार्टिंग में आपको देखना चाहिए आपको वो स्टॉक्स कितना अप होता है, कितना नीचे जाता है. इज एनीबडी हियर हु इन्वेस्ट इनटू स्टॉक मार्केट? कोई करता है? नॉट इंट्राडे लेकिन कभी सीजनल इन्वेस्टर? इज एनीवन? युवराज जी, नागेंद्र जी फेवरेट टॉपिक आई थिंक, आई गेस. मनोरी जी, मुद्रा जी, युवराज जी, आप इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करते हो स्टॉक मार्केट्स में?
No stock market.
if anyone who is a very strong and sound person who can really convince me rather, I should say, that yes, this is my guaranteed earning, I can vouch. Yes. I've gone up to I'll give the next week 50 lakh rupees or within the 1 month 1.5 crore, provided you walk my talk. मुझे जितने भी मतलब आज एडवाइजर्स मिले हैं शेयर बाजार के, they have claimed 20%, 30%, 70% profit.
Right, sir.
I said, you make an agreement, take 50 lakh rupees, give me a surety, and give me post-dated check of 50% of whatever you're claiming.
Right.
Then there is a silence. So 50% I pay, reduce another 10% more, 40%.
Okay.
No, we have a policy that, we should work in this pattern. So
right.
Whether it is, I don't want to name the various companies, but
right.
I'm slightly not convinced. How I have been working is, I have my own 37 companies with whom I am associated. So I know their growth personally for the last 22 years.
Right, sir.
So my investments are lying in the right safe hands with my own players.
Your own players. So basically, sir, you research, right? You research and then you invest.
Absolutely. Without R&D, you're not done. Say, suppose they were coming out with 5 products in that particular quarter. And I said, when you come out with that antibiotic, you do let me know. and I will invest for the batch. So batch to batch, I have my different kind of working ball game with the pharmaceutical companies.
Right, sir.
So I choose the product and I invest in that product,
Right.
but not in the share bazaar till now.
Okay.
I'm
So you are a
far away
seasonal
from that.
investor, sir. As you are
I
a
am far
seasonal
away.
investor.
I am far away from Dalal Street. I have not a single share in my life. No one. Not a single.
You are not at all invested into share market or anything, sir?
No. I don't believe in that.
Acha,
No.
Then where you choose the product, sir?
Product is in my pharmaceutical products.
Acha, not into the also into pharmaceutical shares also, sir?
No, why should I? I do not know. I mean, how much it is decorated balance sheet. I do not know.
Right,
Where
sir.
I am personally, I mean, I know my balance sheet, how I decorated, and I do not know Yashashree is decorating how beautifully the balance sheet for the public. I do
Right,
not
sir. Right.
And when it will be a downfall, when it will be a up, it is all well orchestrated by the few market players actually.
Right.
So better, with whom you are very closely. Even it could be a boutique shop next to your house. You can give it 20,000 rupees or 2 lakh rupees for bringing some goods in that shop. And then you share that next 6 months, 1 year, whatever is the way you have decided.
Right. Right.
I have given it to like our हमारा जो दूध वाला है, I mean, गोवाला है, 5 खरीद ले भाई. So,
It is very reliable.
We'll have one-to-one chat, sir, or Yugraj ji, because I'm
me
always
too.
be completely into the share market. And so people usually say that I invest this much amount of share into the stock market. I invested 50,000 or 1 lakh. So I came across अभी तक इतने लोगों से मैं जुड़ चुकी हूँ. तो I have the first time मैं आपसे जुड़ चुकी हूँ and you are saying you are not invested into the share market. And I would love to chat with you what is exactly your investment and all. So how you manage your investment?
I think you lost my full plan which I had given you. I have broken down 100% को मैंने कैसे break out किया था आप शायद भूल गए. Maybe next time I'll give it to you. Your session will get.
Sure, sir. Yes. So today's topic was basically about that share market से related था कि how people have कैसे trap में फंस जाते. The second trap which was about the blindness trap एक होता है. Now people blindly trust करते हैं company के ऊपर, even they don't know deep inside कुछ company के बारे में उनको पता नहीं रहता है and कुछ scandals वगैरह सडनली हो जाते हैं. There was happen this thing during 1990 में ये चीज हो चुकी थी. It was happen with UTI, biggest mutual fund था that time पे, and that UTI product came up with that plan of a master share पे उन्होंने start किया था. वो plan आया था and huge amount of investment उसमें उनको मिला था. So blindly what happened when UTI company after 1990 something around 95 में वो second एक plan करके आई थी which was master gain में आई. That company came up with that plan. Now people ने blindly trust किया that UTI is one of the biggest investor और अच्छी company है, track record भी अच्छा है, and blindly मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि vegetable shop owner से लेके सब लोगों ने वो मास्टर गेन में इन्वेस्ट किया rather than putting their own research. उन्होंने कुछ yes मास्टर गेन 1992 या एब्सोल्युटली. तो वो हो गया एंड कंप्लीटली वो स्कीम इतनी लॉस हो गई कि बहुत पैसा लोगों का वेस्ट हो गया. सो इसी तरह से ब्लाइंडनेस की वजह से कभी कंपनी के ऊपर कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. तो ये हमेशा उसको फ्लेक्सिबल रहना चाहिए एंड सारा का सारा पैसा ऐसा ब्लाइंडली किसी इन्वेस्टमेंट में नहीं डालना चाहिए. There was another trap that people should avoid is that the superiority trap. Now superiority trap ये इस type का trap है that superior people, that extremely dangerous trap है. Because why people investor always think that they are the better than the expert, they are the better than their analyst, they are even wiser than their share market से भी वो ज़्यादा knowledge उनके पास है and independently वो investment करते हैं ऐसा उनको लगता है. तो हमको प्रूज एंड कॉन्स देख के, मार्केट को देख के हमें पता होना चाहिए कि बेसिकली ये ट्रैप कैसा और किस तरह का होता है, क्योंकि सुपीरियर ट्रैप में लोग ऐसा करते हैं कि मुझे मेरी इन्वेस्टमेंट पता है क्या है करके, लेकिन मैं मार्केट से ज्यादा जानता हूँ या फिर आई नो मोर देन किसी और के से मुझे ज्यादा पता है, या फिर इकोनॉमी में क्या हो रहा है दैट आई डोंट नो, एंड कंप्लीटली मेरे खुद के दिमाग में खुद मेरे ओन टॉक्स चलते रहते हैं, मेरे सेल्फ टॉक चलते रहते हैं, एंड आई कंप्लीटली फेथ ऑन माय खुद के गट एंड इंस्टिंक्ट्स के ऊपर, एंड आई एम सुपीरियर। बेसिकली ये ट्रैप में लोग इस तरह से फंस जाते हैं। वो इनफैक्ट ये लोग ना किसी के साथ शेयर भी नहीं करते अपनी एडवाइस, बिकॉज दे फील दैट दे आर वेरी सुपीरियर एंड दैट आई डोंट वांट टू टेल टू अदर पीपल, व्हाई शुड आई टेल अदर पीपल, मैं क्यों दूसरों को मेरी सलाह दूं, तो ये सलाह भी नहीं देते, एंड वो इस तरह से ट्रैप में फंस जाते हैं कि उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट पूरी की पूरी डाउन हो जाती है, and then they feel bad कि अरे why this has happened because of the market conditions की वजह से ऐसे हुआ, इकोनॉमी के वजह, then they blame economy and they blamer टाइप की पर्सनालिटी फिर इनकी हो जाती है कि मैं उसको ब्लेम करूँ, क्योंकि वो कभी खुद को ब्लेम नहीं करके कि खुद की वजह से कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है करके। So yes, people should avoid also this kind of trap. Now there is another trap is known as the relativity trap. Relativity trap में कैसा होता है कि I always comparison करता हूँ। So for example, मेरे फ्रेंड के पास बहुत सारा पैसा है and if he invested 10 लाख रुपीस का उसने किसी चीज में, he invested that money. That friend will give me an advice that you should also invest diversification के तरह, you also invest into this amount of this say 1 lakh 2 lakh ये स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करो, फिर 4-5 lakhs पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग्स में इन्वेस्ट करो, LIC में इन्वेस्ट करो, and that friend will share his advice to us. Now what we will think that उसके पास 10 लाख रुपीस है तो we will also invest our own money 10 लाख रुपीस, जैसे मेरा दोस्त इन्वेस्ट करता है I will also invest in a way and I may fall into that trap. Now इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा कि that friend is having उसकी रिस्क कैपेबिलिटी है, वो रिस्क ले सकता है, उसकी कैपेबिलिटी, वो रिस्क अवॉइड नहीं करता, वो देखता है कि अगर मैं फंस गया तो मेरे पास उतना पैसा है, आई हैव दैट मच अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड आई एम रिस्क टेकर, इट इज ओके अगर मेरा 10 लाख रुपीस गया तो। बट ये जो दूसरा फ्रेंड है जो हम उसकी बात सुनते हैं, उसको उसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट को पकड़ के वो हम नहीं कर सकते, हमारे पास देखना चाहिए कि मेरे कितने हैं, मेरे पास कितना पैसा है, मेरी रिस्क कैपेबिलिटी है क्या मैं रिस्क टेकर हूँ क्या, तो आई शुड ऑल्सो अवॉइड सच काइंड ऑफ ट्रैप। तो यस, ये बेसिकली मार्केट में जब इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होता है तब ये टाइप के ट्रैप हमें अवॉइड करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। तो ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि आप कहीं ऐसे चक्कर में कभी फंसे हो क्या कि स्टार्टिंग में लिसनिंग टू योर फ्रेंड का आपने एडवाइस लिया हो, या फिर कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया हो, रिसर्च नहीं किया हो, ऐसे कभी ट्रैप में इनिशियल चीज कभी फंसे हो क्या?
Yeah, एक trap में 30 years back I actually got into a trap and that was the biggest investment. I got married. I said I got married that time. So my father-in-law trapped me.
Okay.
It's in a very lighter sense I have said this. So I hope.
Sir, वो trap नहीं है, वो investment है. From your wife's point of view.
I am in this room. She is in around 400 meters away from here. So when I questioned this to my father-in-law, he said, my father-in-law trapped me also like that.
What he said.
Carry on. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Raji. Nice sharing. Thank you. मैं खत्म ही कर रही हूँ.
I will be. No, you can continue. I'll be here till another 3 minutes. 9:15 I will go.
Yeah, I would like to ask. Basically, नागेंद्र जी आज पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे. नागेंद्र जी के पास एक्चुअली बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस होंगे because he is also going to share market like franchise IIFL. So Nagendra ji, please tomorrow do share such things with us. If you have ऐसे कोई ट्रैप में आप फंस गए हो और यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग कि किस तरह से अवॉइड करना है, हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट शेयर मार्केट, यू कैन आल्सो पुट योर, आप बता दो आपका क्या क्या है करके. You can also share your strategies to us कि how to invest into share market apart from this. Yes. So yes,
You should
Indira ji.
you should invest with the surroundings. I always say surrounding means it can be to your kirana shop, to the grocery wala, to the boutique, to the goldsmith, to your milkman, to the farmer around you. You
Yes.
know, recently I got an opportunity. So he said I have come across an opportunity of bamboo plantation.
Acha.
So I said, how much is your ticket size? What are your plans? He said, I'm looking at for a total investment of around 40 to 45 lakhs.
Okay.
Fine. So would you like to participate? I said, what is ROI? How is that? Just give me a brief output. Plus, after 3 years, every year 15 lakhs, lifelong.
Oh.
So I said, this is a magic or what? Is it going to happen? So I just, I don't know, came back of my mind, things were going on. And I trusted him. And I invested 15 lakh rupees there. 1.5 crore he has given me in 7 years.
Oh. Bang on. Super.
So, then a small person, he is doing that marigold. Genda ka phool hota hai na? You know marigold?
हाँ.
Flower?
Yeah.
नहीं. हाँ.
Biscuit.
You know that yellow wala?
Yes.
Pinkish.
Flower.
Not
हाँ.
गेंदे के फूल जो होते हैं, marigold.
हाँ, गेंदे के फूल, right.
So he asked me if you can invest in one of my 1.5 acre land. He is putting that. I will allocate only for you. I said, how much is that going to come? So he said, this is going to. I said, is it that much? Like, yes. And it is doing wonderfully well. You have to just put, you have a small watch on it, whatever is happening.
हाँ.
Analyze and study wherever it is very close to you. I cannot have a watch on Dhirubhai Ambani's Reliance Industry.
Right, sir.
See, what has happened to Anil Ambani Group?
Yes, completely collapsed. My God,
So,
what happened to
is it-
his?
he has
Nothing
not
was
collapsed.
there. Reliance
He-
Communication shares.
He has not collapsed at all. The public money has collapsed, but he has not collapsed.
Yes.
There is a vast difference. He has not collapsed at all.
No, he has not. But the people who have invested into his company, he blindly trust. बोलते हैं ना sir. That was a blindness trap which I was just discussed.
We really do not know the company with a turnover of almost 1.5 lakh crore. You do not know whether there is a depth of around 10 lakh crores.
Right, sir.
There is decoration is done all the time. So these places when you go nearby, they do not do any decoration. They are in front of your eyes.
Right, sir.
The bamboo tree is growing, 70 feet, 45, 50 feet. It takes time, but yes, it is bringing a huge money.
Right, sir.
Well, I'll take your permission now.
Thank you so
everyone.
much, sir, for sharing
Good
your
night,
views.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you shared this much.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Some ideas.
Vision.
Good
See you.
ideas.
See you tomorrow, everyone. Good
Yes,
night.
sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Good
Thank
night.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Acha, sir, one thing, just 1 second. Day after tomorrow, there is a date with money. You all have to wear red dress. Again, a red t-shirt or something you have to wear. We are going to have a date with money. You have to bring money with you, like 500 rupees for whatever that 2000 ka notes with you, credit card, debit card, whatever you have with you. Have a perfume लेके आना. Flowers वगैरह हो तो then okay, we will have a proper date with money day after tomorrow, and also red dress. Okay.
Perfect.
Waiting.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, bye sir. So yeah, that was from my side today. वैसे तो कुछ था नहीं, just ऐसे ही था कि avoid करो कुछ भी चीजें ज्यादा मत रखना, फिर थोड़ा सा रिसर्च वगैरह करना बहुत जरूरी है. शेयर मार्केट हो, व्हाटएवर इज इन्वेस्टमेंट वगैरह कुछ भी हो तो रिसर्च करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. So yes. And कुछ टॉपिक दे दूं?
रिलेटिविटी में बहुत ट्रैप हुई मैं.
सॉरी,
रिलेटिविटी में
हाँ.
बहुत ट्रैप हुई मैं.
अच्छा. ओके. अच्छा. ओके, फिर बाहर कैसे आई मैम वहां से आप जब ट्रैप हुई थी तब?
मगर इतना था कि भाई आई कैन सर्वाइव।
ओके
और एक मर्तबा नहीं, दो एक मर्तबा हो गया।
अच्छा ओके राइट
Today any homework?
हाँ हाँ लेटर राइटिंग का ही होमवर्क है। एंड एक तो हमने अभी कर दिया ना 10 पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स
We
तो
have
हमने
written.
यस यस अभी मैं लेटर राइटिंग का टॉपिक
Can you say any affirmation relating to money or business?
yes I can share. I didn't share na that money affirmations with you. Okay chalo I'll share it on a group. There are lot many things you can do. Oh, have you did that mirror का exercise आपने किया? Mirror का exercise जो मैंने बोला था वो
Yeah.
I'll share today. मैं अभी करती हूँ share. And this is letter writing का topic. I'm not getting opportunity to earn because
I want to ask you what you will write in this letter writing.
anything ma'am, anything. It's not related to money. Anything, whatever आपके जो thoughts आते हैं आपके मन में जो चाहे लिखो। जो अतसी अभी आपने मुझे कहा था कि रिलेटिव के ट्रैप में रिलेटिविटी ट्रैप में फंस गए, तो अभी भी आपके दिमाग में वो चीज है। इफ यू ट्राई एंड राइट दोस थिंग्स आल्सो वो निकल जाएगी मैम धीरे धीरे। तो इतने सालों से जो कूट कूट के हमारे दिमाग में कुछ चीजें भरी पड़ी हुई रहती है ना कि क्यों ऐसा व्हाई वी ऑलवेज आस्क क्वेश्चंस व्हाई, वो निकल जाएगा। जस्ट गो ऑन राइट, लिखो लिखो। 30 डेज के बाद थोड़ा सा आपका चेंज हो जाएगा और चेंज होएगा। ट्यूनिंग एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी जो आपकी मनी के साथ है ना, इट विल डेफिनेटली चेंज इफ यू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली।
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yes, thank you so
Thank
much. मिलते हैं अभी tomorrow.
Okay, thank
We'll
you.
meet and day after tomorrow, date with money. We'll enjoy that. Wear a red dress and then come perfume and all with money. We'll have a proper date. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very
Chalo.
much.
Yes, thank you Madhuri ji. Thank you Munira ji.
Bye,
Bye
Munira
Nandini
ji.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Good night.
Bye, bye.